In this video, we will be going over the assembly and setup of the Infinity Riage Original and Riage X3 massage chair. The only tool required for assembly is an Allen wrench, which comes included with the chair along with all other required screws and parts. Once you have positioned your chair in a clear space, before starting the assembly, you'll want to bring the chair into the upright position. To do so, plug the chair's power cord into the port on the back side of the base of the chair. Then, plug the remote cord into the port to the left and flip the red power switch to on. Bring the chair upright by pressing the red power button on the remote once to turn the remote on, then once more to bring the chair into resting position. In the next step, you will be installing the arm sections. Start by resting the arm on the edge of the chair, using your body for support while you locate and connect the 3 air hoses to their respective air nozzles on the armrest according to the numbers labeled on each. Ensuring that the air hoses are out of the way, lift up the arm and slide the metal socket towards the back of the arm into the round pin on the upper side of the body of the chair. Position the arm onto the shelving of the chair, securing it into place. Velcro the hip airbag to the Velcro strip on the inside of the arm. Finally, take one of the screws and washers from the bag of parts and using the Allen wrench, tighten it into the hole on the inside of the arm underneath the seat cushion. Repeat this process for both arms. In the final step, you'll be attaching the leg rest. Bring the leg rest up to the front of the chair and ensuring that the clip side is facing up, connect the white plug to the port on the chair until it snaps. Then slide the air hose onto the connection nozzle. One side at a time, lift up the leg rest and place the brackets onto the pins on the housing of the chair. Next, locate the 2 metal clips from the bag of parts and place them on each pin, rotating them securely into place. Finally, zipper the leg rest flap to the zipper underneath the seat cushion. If not already, attach the remote holder to the Velcro on the underside of the left arm. You have now completed the assembly of your new Infinity Riage massage chair. In order to ensure that everything is working properly, run the chair through a cycle like the extension program. Check that all of the airbags are fully inflating and that the massage roller track is functioning correctly. If everything is running smoothly, you are good to go and ready to unlimit your wellness. Enjoy, and thank you for joining the Infinity family.